Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I come with another DIY robotics project, that is voice control robotics car, in which you can control your robotics car through your command from your mobile. So let's start. So friends, in hardware you need 6 volt DC gear motor, 4 gear motor you need for 4 wheels, and one MDF board, which is medium density fiber board. So here I am using metal chassis to fix the motor on the MDF board. You can directly glue the gear motor to MDF board. You can check my previous video also. So here this is the second method in which you can fix the gear motor to MDF board through metal chassis. So here I am making hole and I will fix the motor to MDF board. So the metal chassis is fixed for one motor. Here you can see that I'm fixing the screw. Likewise you can fix these 4 motors. Here you observe that the upper 2 motors are connected and the lower 2 motors are connected. See, so I am making the connection for upper 2 motors and lower 2 motors. So this is the connection is done, and so through the hole I am taking this motor wire connection to the back side of MDF board. See, so friends, this is motor driver L298N I am using here. In my previous project I have used L298D. You can use that one also. So after fixing motor driver module, let's connect motor cables to the respected connector. Here 2 connectors are there. So I'm connecting to these connectors. So as you can see that I have made the connection. Now it's time for Arduino. This one is Arduino UNO. So let's fix it on a board. Now we will make the connection between Arduino and motor driver shield. So data 1, data 2, supply and grounds are there. So 4 wires I am connecting from motor shield to Arduino. So connection is done, as you can see. This is Bluetooth module HC05. See, so now we will connect HC05 to Arduino. As you know that HC05 Bluetooth module have TX, RX, VCC and ground. So we will connect with Arduino RX TX VCC ground. Make sure to interchange the TX and RX of both Arduino and Bluetooth. Friends, here I am using 4 volt rechargeable battery. I will use 2 4 volt battery in series. This one is 2 4 volt battery. I made it in series. So let's stick it on fiber board. I am applied glue. Let's stick it. Now this one is the power jack. At one side power jack, one side wire. So power jack will connect with Arduino and this wire will connect to battery. I will use here switch also, so you can externally control you can manually control your robot. So switch is fixed over here, and let's make it series connection with battery. So this way I'm making the series connection of switch with battery. Now the power jack is connected to the Arduino board. Power supply of motor shield, Arduino and Bluetooth are compatible, connected with each other. So friends, hope you understand our hardware connection. of this voice control robotics car. See, and the other side motors are there. So let's connect wheels to gear motors, 4 wheels to 4 gear motor. Then our hardware is completely done. So meanwhile I have programmed Arduino. So now we have to install app on our mobile phone. So this is the app I have already installed. Now I will switch on my Bluetooth module on my mobile. This one, turning on my Bluetooth module. So hardware Bluetooth is already on. See, it is detecting HC05. Now I will give the command through my voice. See, forward. See, it's going in forward direction. Stop. Backward. See, it's going in backward direction. Stop. Left. Right. Stop. So friends, this is all about voice control robotics car, in which you can control your robot through your voice from your mobile app. So do connected, stay tuned with my channel, and if you have any query you can put the comment. I'll very much happy to help you. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting robotics DIY project. Thank you.